Friday, 25th of August, we had a demonstration against the land registrar, but on our way, while exercising Article 37, we were blocked by police officers working under instructions of their bosses, whom we have not known to date, because those bosses are not above Article 37. We issued a notice to the judiciary seeking to stop registration of breeds and other criminal proceedings intended to go on today. And as you note, since morning, the operations are paralyzed in court. We were called this morning for a meeting to discuss on our way forward in terms of whether we can concede to a few give and take. But because of the interest of our membership who are not present here, we have not agreed, and we have left the boardroom where the judge and the judicial officers are seated to agree on the way forward. But on our part, we maintain the notice stands until issues raised have been addressed, because we do not think the police have the powers to challenge what the resolution members did in terms of moving to serve a petition while we were not armed in any manner. We had even representation of the president of LSK from Nairobi who attended, and the entire National Council, but we were not given an opportunity. That is impunity of the highest order, which we are not going to contain. The intent and the purpose of calling for close of the registry is that even those who have been arrested, they are supposed to be given on bond, to be released on bond. There is no such certificate. There is no title deed. There is no green card. How are we going to secure their release from prison once a plea has been taken? This is a call for everybody to stand up and address the challenges. The judiciary cannot therefore say we have not part of it. You cannot entertain hooligans from outside to take advantage of mwananchi who is lamenting in prison or in the cell in the name that you have a constitutional mandate to operate as normal. We as stakeholders in the CUC committee, and our issues must be addressed. We have nothing to do with anything, any offer, unless the issues raised have been addressed. That's all.